Got the front door right here. We step back, and if we zoom out, we'll see a little den area here. Table, TV, and then these should be pull-out couches. Oh, yes, indeed. That's a pull-out couch. So this is your little hangout room. You can come back and see the desk. Got the microwave and a refrigerator there, sink, coffee. We're gonna turn to our left. Pretty bright bathroom, lights on the mirror. We love to see that. Clean counter. We're coming in. Got a bright bathroom with some new amenities that I have not seen before. This is the tub. You can kind of tell that there's been some work done here. Some chips there. That's fine with me, I guess. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come out, got a closet there. Sliding door, that's for the pull-out couch. Then here is another door you can close to separate. But this is the bedroom, the sleeping chambers. Good amount of space in here. No chair in here, but you can, I guess, bring one out. TV right there. Pretty long window area. This is the room.